There you go. Well, you know what's coming up?
Huh?
You know what's coming up?
What?
This is a big date.
How's that?
On the 16th. You don't know, huh?
No.
You got that perplexed look. Well, what are you working on? Tell me what you're working on.
I'm working on a mirror for Robin Shepherd's
For
dog.
Robin's, huh?
Yeah.
So you know what's coming up on the 16th?
No?
It's Robin's birthday.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, well,
Cool, okay.
hopefully we get this video out by then. Hopefully we
Yeah.
get this this on his car by then.
Yep.
So you're cutting this out,
Uh-huh.
and
Got to cut it on the opposite side because it goes this way. We don't
it's
want to
got
make
some
it
glass on it, but you don't want
Australian car out of it.
No, yes, we've done some of them.
Yeah, we have.
So this cracks very easily.
Yeah, it's
If it cracks, then you can throw it away.
yeah, I just might as well start over.
And if you get the saw too hot, it melts pretty good.
Uh-huh.
It's good to do with a jigsaw, but you're finishing with a jab saw here.
But after you get through all that, they look pretty good.
So do you? So this is for the. Hey, it's kind of weird trying to figure out. There's a time delay even. So I'm pointing to the hole for the steering column.
That's where the steering column comes through.
Comes through. Do you do that with a Dremel tool after the fact?
Yeah, yeah. I'll use a burr bit on that.
Okay,
yeah.
so I was gonna say that's how I do it too. But
There ain't no even trying that. But
so then once it's
see, this is a protective coating.
protective coating.
Yeah.
So we're gonna clean that up,
Yeah,
and then we'd use a chrome door edge guard around the edge of that,
Yeah.
and then double-sided tape to stick it on.
Uh-huh.
So they're we don't cut them out. We sell them, but we don't cut them out unless we install it here.
Yeah.
That stuff's pretty darn expensive.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. I noticed last time we got 4 by 8 sheets, so
Yeah.
yeah. But,
So anyway, we have that. These are our mirrored firewalls. So
you
we'll
can
put
square
one
it
on
off
for
with
Robin. You can square it off.
square it off with a skill saw.
Yeah.
It makes it funny noises, but it'll cut it. But then to shape it all, you put it on a bandsaw or use one of these air saw.
Okay, so we'll have this done, and then in the next few seconds on this video, you're going to see it on the car. Maybe not in real life though.
Yeah, time delay.
Time delay.
Magic of cameras.
Should I put this on slow motion or high speed?
Yeah, monkey in there.
we missed the monkey part, but yeah, there we are. Okay, look at that. Check it out. This is day 2. So you got this all done yesterday. You got this in this morning.
Yeah, I put it in this morning. Yeah, put this door trim around the edge.
Door
so
trim
it's
around
all
the edge.
smooth. Yeah, and of course
Cleaned it
had
up
to cut
around
that
where
out,
the steering column comes out.
through.
Trimmed it up around the edge.
Yeah, so when you get the motor in there, you see it twice.
You see it twice. I can see my feet. Man, I'm like normally the guy in front of the camera. Now you can see my feet behind the camera.
Oh, okay.
It works pretty
Man
good.
behind the camera, right?
So this, should we save this until the 16th? Or should we like say happy birthday now? You don't know? You're gonna sing happy birthday?
Wouldn't want to hear me sing.
Well, we'll just say happy birthday.
Couldn't carry a tune in the back handbasket.
Okay, well, there you go. We're still need to get that motor and trans in here and knock it together. I mean, it's not far from going together. There's the gauges. Man, and I can't remember the name. Robin?
Shepherd.
No, not the. He's got a name for the car. It's Robin.
Oh, he
something.
does. Okay. That's cool.
We have to put that on here so I can remember it.
Right.
So there it is.
We got the gas tank back here.
Yep. I tell you what, that just does look good.
Yeah.
Makes it look nice.